Welcome. In front of me is an LG K22 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, let's obviously open up settings. From here scroll down to system, choose advanced, and from here you should see the option for reset options, and then tap on erase all data factory reset, which will bring up a bunch of info, what it will remove, so things like your Google account, system and app data, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. Now, in simple terms, it basically removes everything that you have put on the device after the setup. So, if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you'll lose it permanently, but assuming you have already done it, or you simply don't want to, tap on delete all data, again delete all data, and the process will now begin. Now, this will take a couple minutes. And once it's finished, we will be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.